how to make an educational channel.
We have here three objectives. So after this discussion, you'll be able to identify the pros and cons of YouTube channel. And then you're going to create your own educational channel with, of course, educational video content. And you'll be able to familiarize live streaming using the YouTube app. So this is www.youtube.com. I know you are all familiar with this, or almost all of you are familiar with this. YouTube usage statistics. It says here that YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and of course, the second most visited site after Google. It is the second most popular social media platform with 1.9 billion users. And every minute, there are 500 hours of video that are being uploaded. And we watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos a day. It says here more than Netflix and Facebook video combined. Okay, and 70% of the YouTube viewers, they're using their mobile devices. And as of January 2020, we have 96% of the most watched videos were music videos actually. And we also have the how-to videos on the YouTube. They are growing 70% year on year. So those are tutorials, okay? And it can also be in line with educational videos. So this, my source for this is we have the brandwatch.com.
Educational videos teach, inform, inspire, and empower.
To start an educational channel, of course, you need to have your email address, internet connection. You should also know your purpose. You need to create a channel name. When you say channel name, it should be searchable. Wala kang kaparehas. Yan. Yung iba, ang sa dulo nila is my TV, yung iba vlog, yung iba channel. And then you need also to provide your intro and outro. When we say intro, yung pang-una mong video to discuss about your YTC. And then the outro is the last part of your video na mayroong subscribe. What to expect for having a YTC channel and live streaming? Of course, it is expected that you'll be gaining supporters, subscribers, and it can also serve as an extra income kapag na-meet mo na yung qualification ng YT, and I'll be discussing that later. And of course, expect that there are bashers. Now, but there are some precautions, especially if you are a teacher like me. We need to remember our profession. We are still teachers. Okay? Hindi man tayo nag-offer ng mga product or online, ng mga produkto, mga ganyan. But we are offering our content in the YTC. Now, remember your profession. You're always a teacher. And consider also your audience. And then, please avoid the copyrighted materials and do not use others' content. Kasi pag yan na-evaluate kasi ang na-assess ang channel mo, maaaring tanggalan ka or hindi ka i-allow ng YouTube na ma-monetize and so on. And then you consider also the time of live streaming. If you plan to live stream, please do not use the official time. And others, we will be discussing that as we go on. Okay, so how are you going to create your educational channel? You need to sign in to youtube.com. Sign in with your email, your Gmail. Okay, after signing in, you can see now your first letter, the first letter of your name there on the upper right. If it's there already, you click it and then you click create a channel. After clicking that, you can see this one, your creator journey begins. You click get started. After the get started, you choose how to create your channel. Are you going to use your name or you need a customized name? So if you want to customize name, papalitan mo instead of your full name, you can select this one. Okay, so we have here, instead of the full name, we have Teacher Awin. And then we have here also box below, you click it. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. And then you click create. After that, you can see upload the profile picture. You can upload it. And then when you scroll it down, you just click upload and then locate your profile picture. And then scroll down again. You can see here the channel description. You can tell something about your channel here. What is your channel all about? What are you offering? What are your contents? Then you can also add links to your sites. If you have your website, you can click the URL, then you paste it here. After filling this, you click save and continue. And when you do that, you are now here inside your channel. And you can also customize your channel. If you click the customize channel, ito makikita. Pwede na kayong maglagay o mag-add na rin ng inyong channel art. Yan. Now, how are you going to upload your video in YouTube? You click yung video na icon sa upper right, you click it. Pag na-click mo yan, may magpapakita na upload a video or go live. So you choose the upload video and then you select a file, you click, pumili ng mga file. Then hanapin mo saan mo na ilagay yung iyong video. You select it and then you open it. You edit the details of the video. You can write there the title. You can put the title there and then the description below. What is that video all about? Tell something about your video. And then after that, maproproseso yan, magpa-process. You need to wait na matapos yung processing niya. Because after upload, we have the process. And then the arrow down, scroll down. When you scroll it down, you can see the thumbnail there. A thumbnail is like your front page, the front page of your MP4. Yan, yun yung unang makikita bago nila i-play yung video mo. So dapat catchy. Now, if you don't want the suggested thumbnail, you can click the upload a thumbnail. Select mo yun, then you choose the thumbnail that you want. Okay? And then scroll down again, you choose not for kids. If you want to choose it for kids, pambata lang talaga, gumawa kayo ng channel nyo na it is really for kids. And then, in this, gusto ko kasi na yung gagawin ko ay for kids and hindi because I plan to have some other vlogs. So I chose not for kids and then you click next. You choose public if you want your video na mapanood ng kahit sino. You click the public. If you don't want, you click hindi nakalista or unlisted. And na kung saan, kung kinuha mo yung link niya, yun yung ibibigay mo sa bata. And then after that, if you already clicked the public, you click publish. Magpapublish na siya. Pag na-download na-process na, ganyan na po yung magpapakita. And then, close. Yan. Makikita mong successful yung upload kapag buo na po yung picture dito. Kasi pag hindi pa siya buo, ibig sabihin, nagpa-process pa lang yung picture mo. Your MP4. Okay, so that's it. Pahapyaw lang po sa monetization. You need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to comply with the monetization. Pag sinabing monetization, your channel is capable now na malagyan ng ads yung mga videos mo. And sa ads kumikita ang mga small YouTubers. So if you want to pursue it, you need first to comply with these requirements. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I hope that you've learned something today. please be reminded you are who you are. And we all have our own weaknesses and strengths. But we need to do everything so that our strengths will be enhanced, and also we can overcome our weaknesses. And do not forget to help each other grow. This ends my lecture. To God be all the glory, and thank you for watching and listening.